Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the most important interview topics: inner join, left join, right join, and full join. So let's get into our video. First, we'll go with the definition. What is inner join? Means inner join returns only matching records from both the tables. Example, so there are two tables, employee and department. Okay. So in the two tables, when we check, department ID is a common column between the two tables. So 101 is there, 102 is there, 103 is there, but 104 is not present in the department. Okay. So inner join means which returns the matching rows from the two tables. So 101, 102, 103. These are the matching records, and 104, and these are the non-matching records. So when we execute our query, means I will show you the example. So same data will be there. Okay, just a second. So let's execute this. So we have the same data which is showing here. Okay, so the syntax of inner join is selecting the columns. What are the required columns that we can give here from the both the tables, and from table 1 inner join, this is the keyword inner join, and from table 1 inner join table 2. This we have to use on base of this on condition. On table 1 dot column name equal to table 2 dot column name, means there is a common column between the two tables. Here in our two tables, department ID is the common, right? So let us execute this query. So you can see, so I am selecting employee ID. So let's take from employee E, inner joining department D. The E and D are the alias. Okay. On based on E dot means employee E dot department ID is equal to D dot department ID. Okay. So from after joining, we need some data, right? So I am selecting employee name, and that employee belongs to which department. Okay, so I will execute this. What we should get: 101, 102, 103. So these data we should get. Okay, you can see 1 2 3, and let me show you the department data also. So here you can see 1 2 3 4, and John 1 2 3 4, John David Smith, and HR 101 means it's a HR department, and 102 means uh, IT department, right? And Smith belong to 103. 103 means finance. So this is our data. We excluded ln because there is no common column between, sorry, common data between the two tables. Here the admin, yeah, admin also not there because these are not matching data. Now we'll go with the left join. So what is left join means? Left join returns only the records from the table, left table, and matching records from the right table. So it is saying that it will return matching records plus and non-matching record from the left table. So this is the inner join, right? So same data will, here it will present 1 2 3 4, same data. Extra is non-matching data like 104. So 104, 104 means ln and 4. but we don't have the department, right? 104 is not present in the department and department name, so there it will assign null value. So this result we get when we execute the query. Okay, so let's execute this. So this is the syntax. Keyword is left join. So left join means it will return all the records, matching and non-matching record from the left table. Okay, and from the right table only the matching records will be written. So this is the example. I will execute it. Let's execute this. So you can see from employee and department table what we should get: 1 2 3 4, and for all the data means employee is the left table, right? So all the details of the employees we should get. So yes, 1 2 3 4 data and required column data is there, but the department name for LN104 is not present. So in place of the department name we got null value. Okay, I hope you understand. Now we can go with the right join. So right join return all the possible records from the right table and matching records from the left table. Okay, let's see here. So this is the right table, right join. So it should present all the matching records plus non-matching records from the right table. But we should not take the left table. So here you can see this is the inner join data. So same it will be there, like inner join means common data. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 is there, 1 2 3 4 is there. Right table means department table. Right table with department table means 105. So 105 is there. So 105, and department name is admin, but employees are not present, right? There is no department in the employee table, so there will assign the null value. So this we get. So right join means common records from the both the tables and non-matching records from the right table. So we can execute this. Here the syntax: selecting the columns from the table. So table 1, and this is the keyword right join. So it will fetch all the data, matching and non-matching record from the right table, only matching records from the left table on based on common columns. Okay, so this I can execute this. So what should I get here? So this data 1 2 3 null and John department, all the departments I should get, because this is the right table. So all the matching and non-matching records I should get. Okay, so this I will execute it. So you can see 1 2 3, but you can say department, all the departments are there: HR, IT, finance. So right join means all the department name should come. Yes, it came. And and employee name, they are not present, so we got the null. I think you understood. Now we can go with the full join or full outer join. So here full outer join return all the matching records and non-matching records from the both the tables. So we'll check here. So this is the matching records, non-matching records from the left table means employee tables, and right table means department tables. So full outer join means it will return non-matching records plus non-matching records plus non-matching records from the right tables. So you can see employee data should present 1 2 3 4. Yes, 1 2 3 4 it's present, all the names are there, department there, but 104 department, it's not there, so it's null. Okay, so 104 you can see there is no 104, so here it is null. And we should get all the data from the right table. So 101 102 103 is there, 105 is there, but these admin and department ID doesn't have employee data, means employee ID and employee name, so there it replaced with the null. So this data or this result we get from the query. So this is the syntax. Selecting the columns from the table, and full outer join is a keyword, and the table 2 on base of the common column between the two tables. So we can execute this query. So just I have changed only keyword, like here I replaced with the inner join, left join, right join, and full join. So I can execute this. So you can see all the employee data is there, but department is not present, so it given null, and all the departments are there, so employee data not present with the department, so we got null values. I think you can understand better with this Venn diagram. Okay, and now we can go with that key differences. Inner join means returns only the matching rows. Left join means return all the rows from the left table and matching records from the right table. And right join means return all the rows from the right table and matching records from the left table. And full join means return all the matching and non-matching records from the both the tables. And this is the easy memory trick. Okay, you can remember this. So this it will be helpful for your interview. I hope you understand. Thank you. Please subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.